Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna solve these two questions. So let's just solve question 6 first. So here we are given if root x plus root 16 equals to root 25, what's the value of x? And I think we are given here an equation. We are given an equation and we need to find the value of x. So what we can do? So remember, in this type of problem we will just shift all the variable. Let me just write, if this is our equality sign, we will just shift all the variable terms to the one side and all the number terms to another side. And we will do all the algebra, addition, subtraction, squaring, taking roots, and we will reduce this equation into this form: x equals to some number here. Okay, so let's just start. So root x plus root 16, so here we have a number term, so we will just shift it to the right hand side. So we will write a root x here. If I shift root 16 to the right hand side, it will change its sign. So we will get root 25 minus root of 16. This will give us root x. We know that root of 25 equals to 5, so that will be 5, and root of 16 is 4, since 4 is square is 16 and 5 square is 25. This will give us root x equals to 1, and we know that this will give us, if we square on both sides, this will give us 1, value of x equals to 1. So option A is correct answer. Now we will solve this question number 8 here. Here we are given a to the power minus 1 over 3 equals to m. We need to find the value of a. So alright, we will do the same we will use the same technique here. Since we need to find the value of m here, we will reduce this equation to m equals to some number here. So I think we are already given this here, and we need to simplify it, because we are given that a is greater than 0, so we can alright, so we will just change its sign by taking reciprocal of this term. So we can do it as follows. We can just bring it at the from the numerator to denominator, so it will give us 1 over a to the power 1 over 3, and then sorry for that, we can write m equals to 1 over cube root of a. So this will give us 1 over cube root of a. So option A is the correct answer. Hope you like this video. If everything is clear, please subscribe my channel. Bye bye.